some mugu there. They will feel say na them smart pass. They don't know say who that they follow D. That one smart person. You know say when that Orionba one start video, the first thing when she started the hit on, we recording ladien, you know. Me myself, I know say Rita must get something when he go take strike her. I know. Good morning, my darling. How you day? I know say Rita get something when he go take strike her. I know. Me, I know. She know say Rita go record her because anybody when follow that woman do something. Sometimes you go say live video presenter why did they record? Why did they record? Yeah, they have to be recording because me, I know they record. I don't get time for them. Talk like saying na me they'll come sit down, come they talk. Then they'll come they record. Now come they record their hand. If you now they follow them, my friend, you have to be doing your recording because at the end of the day, now this recording, now in day, now they help some people for this social media. First, you can't put life for your head. Me, I know say Rita gets recording, and she know say Rita the recorder, and she know say she send things give Rita where be say Rita go keep. You know, it's good. Yeah, that is what we call evidence because there is a video when Rita do somebody come they. I can't hear say they say see what he talk. One person tell say he did Jennifer Collins war, but I never go there. I don't know whether not the same or Then I later come see her for Rita video when she do. You know. Then we have for just start now where I push her. You know, I push her. Another kind 35. Another kind 35. Now there now Rita for play the voice recording of this woman. You see this life, some people there and they talk lie. I find out say that woman a liar. That woman, she's a very useless woman. Now it make her no fit meet a mate. Even for live video, more also say for ordinary gram, more forget live video because when you go to live video, normal thing when that they do for live video, you must do it. I buy chair, I buy bed, I buy television, I buy fridge. Now, normal everybody get all those things for inside house. You know, and more forget about that. Then I wait till they do for ordinary ground, and they talk. Okay. Then as I come push on, luckily, I just get that place where she for play the record. You see, when this woman, when she they talk, she say, when Rita go Nigeria, blah blah blah. She talk a lot of things. When she no even do all those things with Rita, she no even talk to Rita when Rita go Nigeria. When Rita want go do in marriage, Rita not talking for social media. You not tell anybody say if they go Nigeria, you want go do marriage. Rita not talking. You not tell anybody. Now once we can see say Rita they do marriage for Nigeria. Picture we see. Now because they say so this woman she go Nigeria go do marriage. She not tell anybody. But she come they talk say when Rita go Nigeria go do marriage. You know, I know they lie people when they lie. Now I can never. I don't feel follow person when they lie whole hand. You get it go mobile. You know what? This video when Rita Fabric come out so this one now just open floor. You know, to see how that woman take they lie. Nobody will go believe that woman again. So understand, nobody's going to believe her. One I they drop comments now, and a lot day. And no ya vie ma vie ni la dian. If they say Rita, viodio la dian. The same person when smart like me now. If I deal with you now, you want to the wrong rubbish. I don't ever thought say I record you. I don't go bring audio, make I can take first, take push you into house. I will want to make you fair, fool yourself first. Make you lie. You see, Rita now give her a chance, make she take lie. She lie finish now. Rita now, you throw away one audio for her. See, You throw away one audio for her. Maybe before you know now, another one will come out. Rita say, talking here. Me myself, I know say, Rita must get this Orionba audio. Me, I know. Me, I know. You know? Now that teacher first say, viens la dien. You know? She not say, Rita must get something when you go take bitter. But she come zerara. You know, say people when they're guilty. Now they fed they don't come out, come they shout. If you are the people when they're guilty, people when guilty conscious, they worry. You yourself, you don't really want to fight with that. They will be the first person to rush out, come they fight. You just see the shame and disgrace. When I always talk said, Orion Bago get. Now the shame and disgrace, now they get, they go. Shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace. She not record her. Yes. She not record her. Now her voice record the one he say, go give and be that. Record the day. My sister forget that one. This Rita don't go record that. Rita get record it. If you ask Rita won't start, now Rita won't start with the one where she use her mouth to record post conference. And I saw now they say if dance, if music they play, I want to let like say, if I allow if you use if enter like this, you know, that is life. She lied too much. I know the lie person when they lie. She lied too much. If Rita can see something to prove her innocent for that woman, I happy for Rita. Because that woman, if you don't know that woman, every time they always they talk her. Every day I always say it, you know. And they always talk her every day. I always talk her every day. She go, yeah, I happy, only this one alone. Only this one alone. You must get something. People that talk too much, people that they think they know too much and they don't know, you must get one thing to prove their stupidity. She Rita get one thing now when she take prove her stupidity. She go don't enter house now. She not go enter house, she go come out. She wanted to come the buga. You the buga for. I beg you, who be that person when they social media? Is it not all of them that is there? Abi they don't change character. Is it not the same character when all of them they process? It's the same character. That is why when they do something, I am not there with them, but I am a fucking analyzer. When I analyze you, if you want to go wrong, enter trade. I don't care. That is not my business. If you like, you go and hang yourself. That's your business. If you like, you can seize your breath by yourself. That is not my concern, you know. Now, so I don't send anybody. Never send. I live my life the way I want to live my life. I don't live life for people to see me. I want to show myself, make people see me. At the end of the day, Rita don't bring number one, this thing come out. Yes. Proof is when you get proof, now you get case. Yes, if you get a video when Rita still send for her, as Rita bring this one, make she still bring come. No, may not say, may record the a video no we send the gimme, make it aware because if you want to turn, maybe if you feel come out now, where you don't go for put now, I will think by baby running. If you feel get up now, maybe if you feel drag yourself up now, you they say, may record the. Your own math alone, he pass recording. If person don't see something to prove you, they go really tossing the truth. Erio hona adwe, agbono kare, erio adwe even would you say? He come back again, she never forgive herself. And on send you can ye wuji. Very useless woman. I don't know why. That woman. For the whole life, you don't present as a whole. I don't get the person when I dislike, but when it comes to that woman, no, she lied too much. She told they talk lie. Oh my God, seriously? When you viens la dien, vieille la dien. Then when she was saying it, Rita pause. You know, that is when Mugu, the follow person, when you get brain, they do something. He not gonna say that person when you get brain, he go put you for a place when you be say you go disgrace yourself by yourself. By the time when you disgrace yourself by yourself, finish. Now you yourself will come and say, I don't reach this side. I don't reach this. On my shot. You have the ladder. Let's say you say to a record in here. Oh, I want to record you because you went no good. Now you they not go record. Even he said they not record any live video presenter for this social media. But for your own, who you want follow do friend when you no go record you, no say that person. Wait till naive. Now I call that person. I not call that person naive because anybody that you will call, they must they record you. A lot of people get your record because they ain't getting told. How can you deny? Where can you see here? How can you? How you want to say no be me, no be me? You can't do it. You're not fit. You know that you're now. Only waiting you tell enter house na shame and disgrace. And you wanna where? Now so this woman they do. We're gonna kayare. Ona do wu. Ona who you say. Then Nigeria wanna ye. It's your mafia wu. Boy boss na ye ragbo. Now Nigeria dey for don't die throw away. Yang bemu for. Who don't know? He's a fucking liar. You know. That is why that woman, I never liked her. My spirit, my body, they choose person. Once I see you, if my body they reject you, I will not say no. You are not pure in heart. She's not pure in heart. She they deceive herself. A lot of video will come out. Yeah, happy New Year to you too. How you doing? I day here. When I talk, I don't work out this year. How you day? Happy New Year to you too, Antonia. Is it this is your name long go? Oh, Melina Bemuhe now. Eh? This is your name too long. Forget that one, my sister. Narita Fair is not Iyore. Narita Fair is not Iyore. Not be Facebook we dey for there. Now Facebook now we dey for there. Narita Fair is not Iyore. I believe that one. Somebody when don't already get you for mind. He don't already get you for mind. She don't already get that woman for mind. She don't ikunoka gwi ekenoka lare noka gwianku. He die put. Yana yebo bemufwa. Now they say or now see they do so wana see born our Ariano Jena. Somebody that they cause, I see they live so. They still lay cause on her. You will not say when he fell come alive, they fell lay cause for her. When you see, you know they see bet Mike, I be more bia my yama. Any child you see yama for your body, you will not say for that community. Person when get that yama for that community. Either if you know the family, you go there the community. You go there individual for that community. Others are they say we don't want to hear. Narita Fair is certain. Leave that thing. Others on a story. Others on a story. What do you think is so? The person just come out, just also good boy. You people think that is insult. The time when they use it directly, they insult Rita. You know they there. There is a lot of things that she was saying. I just see sometimes say, you know, concern me. Also, then they say we find ourselves out. You know, all those things when they say Narita Fair is certain and I lie. All those one are lie. You don't tell when she don't already they insult Rita. When Rita don't they insult her, my sister, how a friend here? You get the way they tell they do friend. Me now, I feel get friend now. Me with that friend say, maybe he do one particular thing. People they use that thing till they mock her. As I said that person are my friend, I can never use that thing to mock that person. The very day when I started to use that thing till they mock that person, that means say I have joined the people that is mocking that person with that thing. Yes. Ariel no, she was doing it. But Rita never saw it. Oh wow, Rita married beg. Rita never see it. Or maybe Rita see it. Rita was trying to ignore. As the end of the day, when we say they keep Rita even keep that thing rich. It's still boss because you cannot. Me when be say I they hit that woman. I know they craze. I know who she be. I know who she be. Okay, Rita marries Zimbabwe. Kokobiri na Benin people they call people Kokobiri. Kokobiri is a Benin language. That is foreigner. Somebody when come be say he buy flight ticket from a country enter Nigeria. Now they call Kokobiri. He get waiting Benin people see they call Oyibo, Botoki. Na Botoki na they Benin people they call you. Why we egene Botoki ya like Nigeria. Or egene Botoki ya like Mina. Every state in Nigeria they have the name they call people that fly from their country, leave their country, call another country. Now they call Oyibo this thing. Botoki. You not see huh? Now so they say they call all those foreigners like Ghana, like Zimbabwe, like Guinea, you know, all these people, they are foreigners. Now it may be people they call the Kokobiri. Kokobiri is not bad something. Evina tea or one Nigeria or any. We even see they talk and say Iyore. Anybody from another place now, I wear Iyore no. You know be from that place Iyore or him. I don't understand. Like Igbo now, Igbo man fit dey Edo State. Now we Igbo ni okay Iyore ni. Iyore is outsider, no be from that community. I don't understand. You know, sometimes I not a judge with hatred. Like this woman, I never liked that woman. I like her right from time. I know why I don't like her, but you people, you will not see it. There are a lot of things that I'm talking about her. I think by now, you people, you are seeing everything by now. Most of them go say, me tell where love not just go me my lovely, okay, lovely know who she is. That is why lovely they always attack her. Now so, all those ones that they say, now Rita affair is certain. My sister, now lie. She don't tell when she they use it direct way. You don't tell. She know what she was doing. I went for my gui, a lot of questions funny. How can you be in relationship? You already say my gui. Did she ever follow somebody to do friendship on that social media when with a fair quarrel? If you really look somebody that when you follow Orion Bani way a friendship for social media, Narita, there is no Edo people. The people we are not also Edo Sabbath space, women we day. No one way don't take this woman take do friendship. Only Rita and Queen Osa when Yanse Wegi. You see, huh? Only Rita with Queen Osa when Yanse Wegi. Those are the two people that use Iyore to do friend. Nobody don't use and take do friend before. Not only these two people when we know for this social media. Where is he? Oh, my gui. My gui. Somebody when they say my gui, you know, say that person have already followed a lot of friends. She have already made problem with a lot of friends. She go the fear say whether this friendship, whether it go still last. Now they use that word when she did use. You know what? I did a video yesterday. I said this woman, she was a spy to Rita. To be honest, why? When Isha come and say Rita block her. Oh, somebody block you, you shall come out. That means say all the time you did that woman WhatsApp. If somebody block me for WhatsApp now, I'm not gonna know because WhatsApp is not something that you just check every day WhatsApp. Check every day WhatsApp. WhatsApp, if somebody send you message, now you go open. If somebody send you message, you feel drop your phone. Person if he send you message, you go appear say somebody send you that call of WhatsApp, you go do on top of your phone. But if they block person, you know they stay for the phone, say so person like this, don't block you. You know they stay. Then why should they always they follow, they monitor Rita WhatsApp? Because she was not using clear mind to follow Rita Waka. That woman is too jealousy. Nowhere when that woman will fit stay. Everybody they tell say where he did so, where he did so, where he did so. Anywhere when he did, you know go fit stay anywhere. All those ones are just say I been open with unpunished. They are fighting. me and they say they take place. I don't understand where she go to stay. Or one person when be say she they always the jealousy. She cannot stay anywhere. She cannot stay anywhere. Any can stay. You know, like Rita now don't bring, because when Rita go say, as Rita want go marry for house, he know everything. Rita carry her along. But people really believe that true Rita really carry her along. But Rita never carry her along. Everybody was on that social media. Everybody was on that social media. Now once we see say Rita, you don't do marriage for Africa. Rita never tell anybody say she want go do marriage. You know? Rita never tell anybody say she want go do marriage. Now her picture. Now people come to change the color and say, hey, congratulations, Rita, you got married. Hey, Rita, you got married. You know? But she said that she was aware Rita carry her along. You know, she said everything. Now Rita don't go prove one with voice recording. Rita can't prove one with voice recording because that woman lied too much. He lied too much. It's good when you are following somebody that talk too much, person down when they lie too much. I think you guys, you have to be putting that person on record. I think I can say before if people that say that they record people, I say, why are they recording people? Because me, I don't care. Me, if you lie, you call me to talk, you record me, I don't get with you, I want to talk safe. I'm not coming on that social media tomorrow saying I'm a person want to fight. No, I don't pass that rubbish things when that they do. No, I'm out of that place, you know? No. Rita don't prove her now. Right? Because she said when Rita go Nigeria, Rita carry her along. Rita don't prove one now. You should see shake body now. Make it, if you want to play Rita, make she play Rita or the one way with Rita do. Rita na very, that one now, comfortable with everything when she they do. I don't understand. Make she come play you. Now make when she come out, she say, hey, why won't deal me? Why won't deal me dog way? Why won't deal me dog way? Because why? She's a guilty conscious person. Yes. She be guilty conscious person. That is why when you come to say, why won't deal with no dog way? Why won't deal with no dog way? That is why you see, at the end of the day, doing things with those people is like you are digging a hole with illiterate people. You know, say some illiterate day. They will say, I want to why you school. I want to why you school. You just say, person when you go school, you want to go follow on, go take D. Maybe when you don't stay there for 2 weeks, maybe 1 month, 6 months, maybe you don't know how to say, go, come, how you say. What you just do, you just say, I don't know how to speak English. At the end of the day, you don't know anything. Well, my people, I'm going to rest my case right now. That audio now, and I don't see her because she said it, I go. And then we are in Nigeria. He say he advise Rita. Blah 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 blah. No. They don't use one audio to prove her wrong. Then if she come out now, another audio will come attack budu. You see this one now, she go no say Rita get a lot of audio. When she take the talk to her, and Rita get recorded when you go record her, because that woman need to be recorded of Orionba. Woman follow betrayal pass road. When we are here going on one babelo there, where not be the same native daughter now go. You know? If you want follow one babelo there, you will go to the same native daughter. My brother, that native daughter, now there they go, we'll go together. He will follow you go. If you want follow bad person, go pass road. You don't already know say that person is a bad person. Before you tell say one native daughter, you yourself, you don't already go bam yourself. Because when you one bad person, now you want follow. Go pass road. You know, she's a traitor. She's a big traitor. No, I don't like people like that. She's a big traitor. Iyore go Niger. How many people is bailing somebody when they carry? That one come, he say, at the end of the day, now then use police say arrest the woman, and then still bail the woman. Another one come and say, now still now you bail the woman. You come and say now you bail the woman because now the word when people take they do saga. That is why una saga, I want they believe. You know, be say if I want to talk with people, some of them will be very angry. Me, I don't care. I don't fucking care. If you like, you stay. If you like, you go. Or my kind of area, me yagbo with me. I don't dare anybody. I be one man mopo, you know. I don't be pop to anybody. Okay, I say I'm gonna be puppies. Gonna follow puppies, they waka. No. That is it, my people. That's what it's supposed to be. Like that is why you can want to see the truth. You know, that is it. That is the truth. Now, so my people. Now, so it be my people. All those one where they just they talk story. They are all storytellers, you know. Now, so my whole thing. Now, so I tell they talk. The truth of the matter, the social media. I know they use saga till they lie. They use a saga ya to we say, because that one do saga. Now wait till they play. Now they talk. Waiting they play. If you did somewhere, you know say that place. Jealousy won't buy you. Come on for there. Yes, if you with somebody, you know that person they grow past you. You know if you stay there, waka come on for there. Yes, quit. Instead of you to come bring the person down, instead of you to come waiting the person don't they arrange for years, instead of you to talk say you want to scatter, just quit. Yes, if you know you have jealous heart, you don't need to go with people that do competition. When you know say you cannot do the competition with them, you know, then you go. When people they talk, you know, see this life. Even that Rita self, I say you get where I blame Rita. I see they talk. Rita that is the place where I blame her. At the end of the day, Ave ni Isari Igbe. Now so that they find person where they want use and take the rob. Now she be. Or Agbolobo you say no no ya sino or him. That's why sometimes if they do something sometimes I say, yeah, the people when be say they go the Nika, they don't know how far, you know. They don't know how far. If you are tired when you are somewhere, you tired, quit. Just come over for there. Quit. Don't see that time when you give a no give 500 euro. You don't come out, you say give a no give 500 euro. A no give self go collect money for your bank hand. A no give you don't go give for your bank money. Go and return that money. Yes. Go and return that money. Give her that money back. For that one, like stamp put, go and give her the money. Yes. Go give her the money. Now so, Rita, he say he give you 100 euro. I say 100 euro. He give you 100,000. If you get the 100,000, whether he bring the proof, he not bring the proof. As far as they use and take the shout, go and give the 100,000 back. You not see the time when Precious Meg with Monica they quarrel. Yeah? See the time when Precious Meg with Monica they quarrel. And I not see her. You see, say all this friendship when they do for Facebook, who they look, they go, say, they themselves, they spend millions for themselves. At the end of the day, yes, they just the app. The people when they don't come, they say, now what money go make me on, now what money go make me on. Now lie, nothing they there. Now who no know waiting life talk. Now they believe waiting that they do. You don't see when Precious make with Monica, they quarrel. The money when Precious Meg give Monica go give Precious Meg. The one where Monica give Precious Meg, Precious Meg go give her to Monica. Case settled. That is it. This one day yo, this one day yo, this one not they say I help you. That one not they say I help you. At the end of the day, money when two of the carry come when they take help each other, you no reach anything. By the time when two of them they do. Hey, friend. People they think say maybe money went to they don't spend for themselves. You go reach 3 million naira. At the end of the day, the money not even reach 500,000. About here na Facebook. Fake life when they in social media. If you no understand, you no go feel capiche. Italian will say, you no capiche, you go quick capiche. You see, huh? Then this one, Rita, do you know what I want to tell you? She don't already they shout with the 100,000. Eh? If I were you, 100,000 now, 40 euro. 100,000 now, 40 euro, I beat that is 40 euro. 900,000 be. If I were you, eh? Just carry the 100,000, find in your account, send the 100,000, go give her. Because in your account, they send the 100,000, go give her. Come show them for the world, say, see, the money when she give me, I don't send her, go give her. If she still give you, eh? If she still give you, may she still say your own give you. Now so that all this friendship, or here last, no now your Facebook rely everybody day in day. You know, say when all of them go day their day now, nobody go they watch day. At the end of the day, fight. If we be like say the fight don't even they calm down now, sir. Did you see it? That is like okay, wait, you say return. Monica carry grace. Wait, you say return. Now she don't allow. Now she thought say she block her. Rita never thought say she block her. Rita thought say she block her. If Rita thought say she block her, why she can't dey cry? She go still go block her back too. The person not talk to me now. Me myself, I will see. I'm not gonna talk to the person again. Even if say the person come back, I'm not gonna ever follow that person talk again. Because the time when you feel say you want to dey fool yourself, feel say with their friendship, you want to do anyhow. You want to they off, they on, they off, they on. Me, I know they off, they on, no. I they off. I know they off, they on. No, me, I they off. People when they off, they on, they don't know what they find. Friendship go tired day. Make they go, they don't go gree go. Do you know that there's some people like that? Because the day when maybe they don't get another one, the day when with that one no day again, he will come back for you. Now so most of the time they do their friendship. But me, he was fine. I will just cut him. I know they offer on now. Once, me now, if I dey drive car, they go say, fuel finish for my car. I will park am for there, go house, go sleep. Anytime when it dey my mind, I'll go filling station, go buy fuel, go put for my car. And you know, but that one, me I know they like him. See, and I no one come here. Not be here, be they come. I don't talk. I don't enter this supermarket. Everyone am take day. I don't talk rich here. You know, if lovely they do something sometimes, at the end of the day, I must do one thing. Come out. Now tomorrow because I they call this supermarket. I want to come buy mayonnaise because now they buy my mayonnaise and they like their mayonnaise. Mayonnaise and they like their this thing too. Spaghetti. Now tomorrow because say I they come here. That Shentra be say I they go. Now don't play rich here. Now my both side now they so. I dey my both side. You know, this road can't be my road. They say where person that me imu they joy anywhere old woman they see tortoise they carry snake. Now every day night if they very some people say why you always come here? Now this area now my Igbo forget office. So you see or sure there was so worry sometimes now so this area now they go. You know, that is it. You don't shall finish now. You don't know. Even when you don't come on for social media, enter, come on for Facebook, enter YouTube. You don't know, say, wait till day Facebook, you have it past YouTube. Nobody they busy YouTube like that. Now social media, now people they busy. You know, see some people, if they do live video finish for YouTube, they will share call Facebook. Now Facebook, now it be everything. You understand? That is it. Now. May she move on. May she move on. May she go get another friend again. At the end of the day, I don't see anybody when you want to follow and do friend. Not be that at those about space. At those about space where all of the jealousy, when view, ordinary view, when no reach anything. This view when they talk so, you know get where they carry them they go. You know get where they carry them they go. That's it. My people, now so Make it enter house. Like person now got to say not they talk to me again or he block me, I can't come and call the shop. Man, you tired of my friendship? You bye-bye. Then me, I did my day. You see? This me. This me. Yeah, I take dress, go out. You see, you know, say they are abroad. Abroad woman. I calculate what I wear for you. Yeah, we only wear. Oh, yes, sir. I work with calculation where you know, that's it, my people. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, sometimes I don't understand you talk with you, Mama. I beg because we like her or you know talk. I beg. Truth not dead there. Truth not say me they not talk. You will write this comment. Sometimes I don't understand your talk. Yeah, what you say me? I don't be waiting they see for social media. I'm not there any side. You know why? My place, if I talk for matter, you know who una like, una go want make person they talk for their favor. I don't understand. I be an analyzer. I don't see anything to analyze for your side. Everybody knows say Iyore na Orioba. Even if say this matter day now, they cannot call Iyore say make you go talk your mouth because Orioba no. You people you don't know anything. Iyore na Orioba. Even if say matter day now, even if say he do something now, say na village day now they beat am zanzan. You don't know as I tell they do Orioba. People go dey stone. People go talk say. May you they come out for where people dey. They come out for where people dey. They go kill you one day. You don't know. When you don't say, oh, no, that's the reason. Community will not be the same age mate. You don't think that I will reason the same way you are reason. No. It's an Orioba. Even that space where you dey so. To be honest, to be frank and sincere, she don't even have anything to do with Bini people. To be honest. Any Bini person when you want to follow and make friend, make them follow and make friend for darkness, not be broad daylight. You know, see one a John when couple for Don't Priest video, Don't Priest where John want go. You don't see that a John want say we go down John want talk. Yes, another one day where he still couple to where Don't Priest no one let her talk. This thing that man still talk. The man say una why ain't no Orioba nahi. Why ya go more boy? You don't expect me to support Orioba. He's an Orioba. He's an Oriental. You don't do that. Orioba, you see some people will be say, eh? If they pass on area, say the person still get that community. If they pass on area, people they stone her. You know how they pass there again. But she no want stop. So they come where beneath people they namu bear or ya way yet to. That is it. You when you talk say you don't understand me. You understand me. You want make I come judge Iyore with Rita this thing. Iyore is an Orioba. Even if say you carry Iyore matana, we carry Rita mata go there. You know what in a Rita now people go blame. Orioba nobody go talk for him matter. Now me I thought say Rita, I blame you when you take follow this woman. Go to do friendship for Idagbo, for broad daylight. Rita for follow and do friendship for darkness. Erakota friendship, what we call it. Even me say, she go come and call the saga Rita, or maybe they get problem. People got say, Rita, they can where you go on a wasi. Which time you take follow this woman, take do friend? People go say, Betty, I said, don't do video reach. This woman, you never mention her name for your video one day. You never, then why you will say? People, they know, people go to say, you might believe. Some people say, Betty, when you can't say now, they were my dog, Mina Noah, Noah. That is it. You see the truth talker. I know they join anybody. I gave Rita a fault. Say, Rita, when Orioba will knock him. When somebody do something, I must give that person a fault. I said, Rita, when Orioba will knock him, do not suppose. And she look all your live video presenter say, none of them go follow and play. Not only Rita, she never get crash with. Because the time when we tell her, say, make it stop today, bring Benin attack on social media that time. Rita never did do live video that time. Even after that one, Rita never talk about the Bonamu Bewedo. Whether Rita take do video, whether Rita not take do video, I don't know, but I don't see her for with Rita one day. Then why she not go meet other live video presenter? Why she go meet Rita? Because she see say Rita, she with Rita never get anything. A lot of live video presenters they there. I mean, they counter. Why she not go meet them when she come back to Facebook? Why she not go meet them? Because she see say she with Rita never get kwaka. Rita never dey against her with nyama thing when she go put herself. Why she not go meet? Why she not go meet another person? Why she go meet Rita? You know what you now want? Say, lovely. I don't understand you, lovely. Where you say? I don't do anywhere. I did my day. You see, say I get dogs when they run follow me. I don't have puppies. Maybe puppies. Maybe puppies. I get fans when I get. Here my plenty. Mario colleague, we respect ourselves. I don't have puppies. I get fans when we say if they reach where they are, Mama, good afternoon, I lovely, and you did not get. Yes, because I can't do it. I don't cook. I know. If you insult me, I will come and insult you. You know, they see my platform. If they come, they say they want to come, they do put nonsense comment. The people when since me say that they watch me, everybody get fans. I say, if you not respond to them, I go block the person. Yes, one person wants to say, I say, nah, wow, lovely. I don't even understand you. Yes, because I go delete the person. Because I delete their comments. If you respond to them, I go delete their comments. Join your own comments. And you what say? That is how I do my things. I don't beg. May we say I define something for their hand. I don't need them. Any day, I did my day. That is how I do my thing. Right from time when I did grow up. Now, so, you know, if you dare a place, that place don't tire you. You won't cross, go another place. Just live there silent. Just live there silent. You see there a secret court. If you want to come out for secret court, go another place. Eh? Even if you come out silent, they must still cut your hand. You know, she could have left without saying goodbye. It's better. If she would just left. No, you say bye-bye. If you say bye-bye, they go no say you don't come out. Can't you just go? Can't you just go before you know that thing when it happen for social media? To be honest, she not suppose. As I say, she did there. As I say, you don't stand for where they hold ground. You're not supposed to put one left for here, put one left for here. No. If you want to go, go. If you want to stay, stay. Now, because of my year school, she don't know how they do it. Oh, she don't know jump. When even primary school, say from primary school, team I like a gang. From primary school, we enter gang from primary school. Primary school, mama a gang. Even when you with and go primary school that time, most of them see enter secondary school together. From there, one of the Yazuzu, because she never enter. That is it. Everyone may blame Rita. I blame Rita. Say, why did you use her to do friendship in the Adagbo, in the broad daylight? She could have used her to do friendship in the darkness. In the darkness. A power, you know, do me laughing mafia. Why, you know, nobody they carry. Others than that, they tell say, if they go that side, who did that side, no, they carry. All those one now, they turn them, whether they fight, now fight, no. Opponents with opponents, they can strike themselves with anything. I don't fucking care. Only my heart tell me, you know, that is it. I have love, how you say. This one, they laugh this morning. What will happen? Monica carry grace. He said, "Better stop with comment." So far, you know, he's short. She don't they went there here. Monica carry grace. Now my personal person. Even if we they fight, he go still come. Monica carry Grace with her for love. Even they say they know me, you know, they understand me. We're lovely and gone now. I don't have anybody in my mind. Iya confo, iya lawa. Monica carry Grace. Even if say we dey fight, she will still come. Let me tell like her. We're lovely. If that one don't scatter area finish. If you see that they scatter area sometimes, say the place when they scatter, he dead there, he go come out. If you see that don't come out for that place, he go come back again. Now say like he with even love. Yeah, worry one why who may for because to not drive them now, not go see them again. only two to three people where he there. Why can't we have a qua? I know when you are doing yaga, people will still there with you. Now they be your own, not be the one when they come visit. And they don't visit, we are not a bua. Oh well, hey, you are take bua. Oh well, if not be in love with Monica carry Grace, you are take bua. Oh well, Imaro wa no dey house. How we say dey house? I for join the nala. Oh la me I hoku. I beg, that is it. The matter also come out for ground, another matter will come out. The one we did now, they say, na mama ego. I see say party did a shot yesterday. A party did a shot. Mama ego. Now wow. Sometimes, there is some things when it they happen sometimes, I would imagine how. I would imagine for some kind of things sometimes, you know. Mama ego. Or where Frank Victor say they give her Wortoworto. Frank Victor, I know Granny Wolo. Yeah, we're both where I love you. I made Frank Victor very TV where Bona go Wolo here. Ah, and you conquering a wamu. At the end of the day, why we cannot go they ask myself, say, Frank Victor, where you they see prick? We were Yahweh. We my people like say, thank you, my darling. They be like say we will come talk that matter. Like say we will come talk that matter. Where mama ego na wa. We are one of here and where we are one. Hey, Frank Victor, well, more, Frank Victor, oh yeah. Frank Victor, I hold it before what twice over me now. Well, we wait for the yes, you're. We are yeah. If you for the finish, speed for the total, not in the dear. Now, so my darling people, as I did talk just now, Ritas, if you still get more this thing, you can still bring it. If you are me, I got to talk my talk. If you are tired of this saga, say Rita will soon drop the saga. Forget about the saga. And wait till I know for this social media, if you deal with friends for social media, those live video presenters, if they want to live themselves, they must fight. Make people can't see them. Say they don't live themselves. Rita, we told you about they don't be the first person when you don't do that thing, you know. I will be resting my case now. My people, I won't buy motor this year. I never get my driving license. Now I won't come carry my car. I won't go get my driving license back. Only when I want to do my driving license finish, I don't chop on. Now so, forget everything. Yeah, I won't forget that matter. I'm done with the matter. For me, I do not believe Frank Victor you sleep with Mama Ego. Okay, he said you did not believe her. Believe him that he used charm to sleep. Yeah, you don't believe my personal person. We don't know the one who will believe finish. Maybe the day when Frank Victor will they bring their toto one by one. Frank Victor, no, you know it's here. If that they say juju, sometimes You cannot tell me say all the old women went from Victor fuck. No one way they do juju for inside. No matter how man go flirt rich, say na juju na the man take dey fuck. You must see woman wey still dey use juju. You don't know say juju dey spoil juju. Juju dey spoil juju now. Yeah, juju dey spoil juju. Yeah. You know why I talk, huh? Me, I don't dey do juju. That time for Nigeria, I be person wey be say charm no dey work for me. If you charm me, anything wey you do, you know dey work for me. Because why? I be river pikin, my body dey spoil juju. I don't fit enter native doctor house, they no go gree. Native doctor no go gree. Once they see me, they'll say, hey, yeah, no enter my house. Your body dey spoil juju. You know say that they see body when they spoil juju. This is when that, you know, say when they talk about that charm, you cannot tell me say the many women when that guy friend say none of them they do juju. When you go feel harm from Victor juju, from Victor they true do juju. You get one guy, this guy just bad. This guy can't they talk to me, you know. As the guy can't they talk to me now, I don't agree for the guy. You know, say some guys they talk to you say you don't agree, they go use juju. Really charm day, charm it day. Then. Some people they use them for handkerchief, some people they use them for ring, you know. Me, I be person when be say, even if boy they talk to me, even if I don't want friend the boy, I don't go follow and they keep enemy. I just see they follow how you say now, guy, how you say now, you know. Then as he won't just shake my hand with his hand job me just shake, so to just make green. The guy said, Chai, he said, you don't spoil juju, you don't spoil my juju. I don't know. Why me I thought that one? I mean, I don't know if it say all the old women went from Victor friend say they are juju. They are juju, they know they do juju. They must do juju. All of them they do juju. One of them, their juju must spoil and one of them must get power from just say 7 women when he sleep with, for example. You want to tell me say the 7 women they not just get grace. They not just get. You know why? You know the jealousness when he come, when all of them come the saga from Victor. Because if from Victor come marry, that is the jealousness when he come. And when from Victor they friend, they all of them they know their self. You know, from Victor not play the game well. All of them they know their self. At the end of the day, from Victor can't choose the one when be say he want marry. You know, that is the problem when he can't do all of them. You know, so like we frustrated women. Me I go ale they be fine. I mean, I tell him from Victor. I thought that I say as for Victor marry self, I like if not they'll use from Victor take to make prostitute. But my anyway from Victor ya make prostitute delay. Now ya be ya no. You know. As in my people, I see my darling for here. Obiaba, good morning, how you doing? How my people? May I live on my battery don't weak. See you guys. I want to quickly carry something for you. I be no one rich here. I talk rich here. But now bye bye.